Hi, this is a short video just to walk you through your first assignment, which is quiz 1. Now here I have the Moodle page open, and it will look slightly different because it is in teacher mode. So for example, you won't be able to access quiz 1 until it opens up on March 20th. You'll also see something that says it is not available unless you complete the activity, briefly describe your background and reasons for choosing teacher education for your study. Now you'll find out a little bit more about this because if you're watching this before week 3, because this is an activity in week 3. And basically this is just an opportunity for your tutors and the unit coordinators to get to know you a bit better. So just to get some background information about you. So you need to complete that activity, and again that is in week 3, and once week 3 opens you'll get to see that, but you'll see this icon here with the megaphone, and you'll click here into this activity, complete that, and once you complete that you can access quiz 1. Again, if it's not Monday the 20th of March at 6 a.m. you won't be able to access it, but once that week opens up, so week 4, you can then access the quiz. So here, if you click into it, again it gives you the due date, so you have 1 week. So that's the difference between quiz 1 and quiz 2, is you can enter and exit as many times as you'd like. Now it doesn't actually give you your score right away, but you obviously can get an idea if you think you've done well. And you can take the quiz as many times as you'd like within that week. So from Monday, March 20th at 6 a.m. until the 26th of March, 5 minutes to midnight, you can take it as many times as you want, and we will just take the highest grade or the highest mark. So if you take it the first time and you feel pretty confident, then you don't need to take it again, but if you'd like to just try as many times as you can. Because the purpose of this quiz is, as we've mentioned before, is that we just want you to learn through this experience. So if you learn something from having to get into your textbook and identify answers, the correct answers for this, then it's a win-win. So we just want you to actually access your textbook and the information in there. Now there will be 20 questions, and this first quiz is only 10%, the second quiz also 10%. So each question is only worth 0.25, and you have a week to complete it. So that's all, just a bit of a, and actually I'll give you a quick preview before I go here. Basically what happens is you'll come in here, it'll have the question or the STEM, you choose the one that you think, next page you go on. So obviously there's 20 questions, but there is a question bank, so if you do take this more than once, you will have different questions because it's a large bank of questions, so, and it randomly selects these, so it won't be the same 20 questions each time. All right, that's all, and have a wonderful time preparing for this quiz.